my name is Falgolski and this is Lowcoder. Our aim is to provide you the very best, most modern and versatile application development platform that exists. And so we develop a lot of features. Every some weeks we release and magic functions appearing everywhere. Some of them we really need to describe, and therefore here's our series of tutorial videos so you can access all the value that is already possible and find also the magic hidden functions that are already offered inside of our platform. And now let's start. This is our so-called admin area. That is everything where you can access your apps, but also if you have the access right, do all settings that you would like to do in Lowcoder as an administrator. In general, here is an app display, so you can see all apps that you have created. Recently, we just have introduced the possibility of pagination, so when you have a lot of apps, it should be now easier to get the overview for it. We have possibility to see this all as a table. Sometimes it's better because you have more detailed information, who was creating this, when it was modified, and so on. So this small switch will do it. Also, you can filter here the type of application, type of what you see. You can only look for folders, only for modules, or for these special navigation and mobile navigation applications. And you can make use of categories. We have these predefined categories where you can sort your apps in. Most likely we will introduce also tags. So aside of these predefined categories, you would then be able to tag your application. That may come later, and as for now, we have this possibility, and it helps you to filter the application that you have directly to your needs based on categories or these types. We hope you enjoyed these tutorials, and if you like it, please like it. Share it with your colleagues, with partners and other people that may be interested to create apps really fast.